Have you ever wondered if nature holds more powerful remedies than the medications filling pharmacy shelves? In a world where the pharmaceutical industry often prioritizes profit over genuine well-being, it's time to start questioning why some of the most effective natural solutions remain in the shadows. The truth is, many herbal teas, backed by science, offer remarkable health benefits, sometimes even outperforming conventional treatments, especially when made a part of your daily routine. But let's be clear, while these teas can be incredibly beneficial, they aren't a substitute for medical care. If you have specific health concerns, always consult your doctor first. In this video, we're uncovering 11 powerful teas that can revolutionize your health. We'll explore their benefits, how they work in your body, and the easiest ways to prepare them at home. Stay with us till the end because tea number 2 might completely change the way you see herbal remedies. Before we dive in, if this is your first time here, welcome. We're all about growing healthier together. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on life-changing health tips. And hey, tell us where you're watching from by dropping your country in the comments. We love hearing from you. Now, let's get started. Let's start with moringa tea. It is a true nutritional powerhouse, offering a wealth of health benefits in every sip. This incredible herbal infusion is loaded with antioxidants, which help combat inflammation and shield your cells from oxidative damage. Research suggests that the potent compounds in moringa can significantly reduce inflammation markers, making it a natural alternative to some anti-inflammatory medications. In fact, a study in the Journal of Food Science found that moringa extracts effectively lowered inflammation, highlighting their potential as a therapeutic option. Beyond its anti-inflammatory effects, moringa tea is also a brain booster. It's packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are known to support cognitive function. Studies indicate that moringa may enhance memory and concentration, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their mind sharp. This is particularly beneficial for individuals over 50, as cognitive decline becomes more common with age. Making moringa tea is simple. Just steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried moringa leaves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can enjoy it plain, or add a touch of honey for a bit of natural sweetness. Drinking it in the morning or early afternoon can help maximize its energizing effects. Imagine starting your day with a warm, soothing cup of moringa tea, knowing that you're nourishing both your body and mind. With its impressive range of benefits, this tea is a fantastic addition to any daily routine. Give it a try and experience its powerful effects for yourself. Let's talk about ginger tea, an invigorating, spicy brew packed with incredible health benefits. This warming drink is well known for its ability to support digestion, making it a great choice for anyone who struggles with bloating or stomach discomfort after meals. Research shows that ginger can significantly ease nausea and promote overall digestive wellness, making it a natural go-to remedy for digestive troubles. But ginger tea doesn't stop at digestion. It's also a powerful ally against inflammation and joint pain. For those dealing with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions, sipping on this soothing tea may provide much-needed relief. And that's not all. Ginger is a well-known immune system booster, making it a fantastic choice during flu season. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that ginger enhances immune function, helping the body fight off infections more effectively. Now imagine curling up with a steaming cup of ginger tea, feeling its warmth spread through your body as it works to support your health from the inside out. Making it is simple. Just slice up some fresh ginger root and let it steep in hot water for about 10 minutes. For extra flavor, try adding a splash of lemon or a drizzle of honey. It's best enjoyed in the morning or whenever you feel a cold creeping in. However, if you're on blood thinners or have certain health conditions like gallstones, it's a good idea to check with your doctor before making ginger tea a regular part of your routine. With its impressive benefits and bold, comforting flavor, ginger tea is a fantastic way to keep your body feeling strong and vibrant. Why not give it a try? Next, turmeric tea is a golden, soothing beverage that delivers a wealth of health benefits, making it an excellent addition to any routine, especially for those over 50. Celebrated for its strong anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can help combat chronic inflammation, a key factor in many age-related conditions. By supporting joint health and flexibility, this powerful tea allows you to stay active and enjoy life with greater ease. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric tea is also a heart-friendly drink. Research shows that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps improve blood flow and reduce cholesterol levels, making it a great choice for maintaining cardiovascular health. Plus, if you're looking to keep your mind sharp, turmeric is a natural brain booster. It encourages the growth of new neurons and helps protect against neurodegenerative diseases, supporting long-term cognitive function. Brewing turmeric tea is quick and easy. Simply stir a teaspoon of turmeric powder into hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. To enhance its benefits, add a pinch of black pepper. This helps your body absorb curcumin more effectively. A drizzle of honey can also balance the earthy flavor with a touch of sweetness. Sipping on turmeric tea daily is a simple yet effective way to nourish both body and mind. With its warm, inviting color and rich, comforting taste, this tea isn't just a pleasure to drink. It's a natural ally for lifelong health and vitality. Why not make it a part of your daily wellness ritual? Next, hibiscus tea isn't just a feast for the eyes with its deep crimson hue. It's also packed with powerful health benefits, particularly when it comes to heart health. This vibrant herbal infusion is widely recognized for its ability to help lower blood pressure, making it a fantastic choice for those looking to support their cardiovascular system naturally. Research from the Journal of Nutrition found that individuals who regularly drank hibiscus tea experienced significant drops in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, positioning it as a potential natural alternative to certain blood pressure medications. Beyond its heart-friendly properties, hibiscus tea is loaded with antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and inflammation. This can contribute to overall cardiovascular well-being and may even lower the risk of heart disease over time. Just picture yourself unwinding with a cup of hibiscus tea, knowing that every sip is working to support your body from the inside out. Brewing this tea is incredibly simple. Just steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can enjoy it warm or chilled, and adding a splash of lemon or a drizzle of honey enhances its naturally tart flavor. It's best enjoyed in the afternoon or evening, offering a refreshing way to relax after a busy day. With its bold taste and remarkable health perks, hibiscus tea is a delicious and effective way to care for your heart, while treating yourself to a flavorful, revitalizing drink. Why not make it part of your daily wellness routine? Next, clove tea is a powerful herbal remedy packed with incredible health benefits, particularly for those in their golden years. Loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, this aromatic tea is well known for its ability to combat infections, making it a fantastic natural boost for the immune system. Research has highlighted the antimicrobial effects of eugenol, the active compound in cloves, which helps fend off harmful pathogens, an essential benefit for older adults with a more vulnerable immune response. Beyond its immune-boosting properties, clove tea is a digestive aid, stimulating the production of digestive enzymes that ease bloating and gas, making it a comforting post-meal drink. But that's not all. Its natural analgesic properties make it effective in relieving body aches, including joint pain and headaches. For those dealing with age-related discomfort, a warm cup of clove tea could offer soothing, natural relief. Making clove tea is effortless. Simply steep a teaspoon of whole cloves in hot water for about 10 minutes. You can add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon to enhance its bold, slightly spicy flavor. It's best enjoyed in the evening or after meals, allowing its healing warmth to take effect. With its rich aroma, soothing qualities, and impressive health benefits, clove tea is like a natural remedy right in your kitchen. Whether you're looking to support digestion, ease pain, or boost immunity, this tea is a simple yet powerful addition to your daily wellness routine. Why not brew a cup and experience the benefits for yourself? Next, cinnamon tea is a warm aromatic delight that brings a wealth of health benefits, especially for those over 50. One of its standout advantages is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar, making it a great natural option for individuals managing diabetes or prediabetes. Rather than relying solely on medication, incorporating cinnamon tea into your routine offers a flavorful way to support metabolic health. Beyond blood sugar control, cinnamon tea is also known for its metabolism-boosting effects. Since metabolism naturally slows with age, this can be particularly beneficial in maintaining a healthy weight and sustaining energy levels. By promoting efficient metabolic function, cinnamon tea can help you feel more active and energized throughout the day. Brewing a cup is simple. Steep a cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon in hot water for about 10 minutes. You can enhance the taste by adding a drizzle of honey or a splash of milk for a creamier texture. The best time to enjoy it is in the morning or early afternoon, making it a perfect start to your day or a soothing midday pick-me-up. With its rich, comforting aroma and impressive health benefits, cinnamon tea is more than just a delicious drink. It's a natural way to support overall wellness. So why not savor each sip while giving your body the nourishment it deserves? Next, peppermint tea is a crisp, invigorating herbal drink that provides a host of health benefits, particularly for those looking to ease digestive discomfort. Known for its natural soothing properties, peppermint tea is an excellent post-meal choice, helping to relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. The menthol in peppermint works by relaxing the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, promoting smoother digestion without the need for over-the-counter medications that may come with unwanted side effects. Beyond digestive support, peppermint tea also serves as a mental refresher. Its cool, minty aroma has been linked to enhanced cognitive function, improving focus and alertness. Whether you're tackling a busy workday or simply need a moment of clarity, a cup of peppermint tea can help re-energize both body and mind. Brewing a cup is easy. Simply steep a handful of fresh peppermint leaves or a tea bag in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's best enjoyed after meals to aid digestion or as a midday pick-me-up to rejuvenate your senses. With its crisp flavor and remarkable health benefits, peppermint tea is more than just a drink. It's a natural way to nurture both your digestive health and mental sharpness. Make it a part of your daily routine and enjoy the refreshing boost it provides. Next, green tea is a timeless beverage cherished for its remarkable health benefits, making it a staple in cultures worldwide. One of its most impressive qualities is its rich supply of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which shield the body from oxidative stress. These powerful compounds help neutralize free radicals, lowering the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall well-being, an especially valuable advantage for individuals over 50, as the body becomes more vulnerable to age-related ailments. Beyond its antioxidant prowess, green tea is known to enhance brain function. Research suggests that its unique compounds can sharpen cognitive abilities and may even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. If you're aiming to preserve mental clarity and focus as you age, incorporating green tea into your routine is a smart choice. Additionally, green tea is a trusted ally for heart health. It has been shown to improve cholesterol levels and promote better blood circulation, which may contribute to a lower risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of green tea can help maintain a strong and healthy cardiovascular system. Brewing green tea is simple. Just steep loose leaves or a tea bag in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. It's best enjoyed in the morning or early afternoon, offering a smooth energy boost without the jittery effects of coffee. Imagine yourself savoring a warm, soothing cup of green tea. Knowing that each sip is nurturing both your body and mind, make this antioxidant-rich elixir a daily habit and embrace its countless health benefits. Next, chamomile tea has long been cherished for its calming properties, making it a favored choice for those looking to relax and achieve better sleep. Made from the delicate, dried blossoms of the chamomile plant, this gentle herbal infusion has been a trusted natural remedy for centuries, helping ease anxiety and sleeplessness. Studies indicate that chamomile can shorten the time it takes to fall asleep while enhancing overall sleep quality. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals over 50, who often experience sleep disturbances. Beyond promoting restful slumber, chamomile tea also works wonders for digestion. It soothes common discomforts like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its natural anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties help relax the muscles in the digestive tract, providing gentle relief after meals. Additionally, chamomile is known to ease menstrual cramps, making it a comforting beverage for women seeking natural relief during their cycles. Rich in antioxidants, chamomile tea helps strengthen the immune system, offering an extra layer of defense against colds and infections. Its mild, soothing nature makes it suitable for people of all ages, serving as a comforting remedy for both children and adults. Preparing chamomile tea is effortless. Simply steep a tea bag or a spoonful of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoying a warm cup in the evening creates a sense of calm, signaling to your body that it's time to unwind. More than just a beverage, chamomile tea is a ritual, a gentle embrace at the end of a long day. By incorporating this soothing elixir into your nightly routine, you can transform your evenings into a sanctuary of peace, nurturing both body and mind. Next, fennel tea is a delightful herbal infusion that works wonders for digestive health. With its naturally sweet, licorice-like flavor, this aromatic tea is a go-to remedy for easing bloating, indigestion, and discomfort after meals. If you've ever experienced that overly full or gassy feeling, a warm cup of fennel tea may be just what you need to bring relief. It helps relax the muscles in the digestive tract, promoting smoother digestion and reducing bloating, leaving you feeling light and at ease. But fennel tea offers more than just digestive support. Packed with antioxidants and essential oils, it helps fight inflammation and supports overall well-being. For individuals over 50, maintaining good gut health is essential for optimal vitality, and fennel tea provides a natural, gentle way to nurture the body from within. Brewing fennel tea is simple. Steep a teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds in hot water for about 10 minutes. Enjoy it warm for a comforting experience or let it cool for a refreshing iced version. Whether sipped after a meal or enjoyed as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, fennel tea is a soothing and beneficial addition to your daily routine. So, the next time your stomach needs a little extra care, reach for a cup of fennel tea. It's more than just a beverage, it's a gentle embrace for your digestive system, helping you feel balanced and refreshed every day. Next, lemongrass tea is a bright and uplifting herbal infusion that brings a wealth of health benefits, making it a fantastic addition to your daily wellness routine. With its crisp, citrusy flavor, this aromatic tea is well known for its ability to ease anxiety and promote relaxation. Whether you're dealing with a stressful day or simply looking to unwind, a warm cup of lemongrass tea can help soothe your mind and lift your spirits. Beyond its calming effects, lemongrass tea is an excellent digestive aid. It helps ease bloating, discomfort, and indigestion, making it a perfect choice after meals. The natural compounds in lemongrass work to relax the muscles in the digestive tract, promoting smoother digestion and better gut health. Lemongrass is also packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, giving your immune system a natural boost. This makes it a great companion for warding off seasonal colds and infections, helping you stay vibrant and healthy year-round. Brewing lemongrass tea is simple. Steep fresh lemongrass stalks or dried leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Whether you enjoy it warm for a cozy evening treat or iced for a refreshing midday boost, lemongrass tea is a versatile drink that can rejuvenate both your body and mind. So, the next time you need a little pick-me-up, reach for a cup of lemongrass tea. Embrace this revitalizing beverage as part of your daily routine and experience its refreshing benefits. And there you have it. These powerful herbal teas don't just taste amazing. They offer incredible health benefits that many people overlook. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health insights. What's your favorite tea? Share it in the comments below, and let's spread the word about these amazing natural remedies together. Here's to your health and happiness.